Welcome back. I'll continue explaining the following topics. In previous videos, I have explained warm-up, how to teach listening, how to teach reading. You can watch them anytime. In this session, I'll explain how to teach writing. Let's start. How to teach writing. There are 3 steps to teach writing in classroom: pre-writing, during writing, and post-writing. Pre-writing activities or prepare. It means all activities that you do before writing. For example, you can use brainstorming strategies. It means that you ask students, what do you know about this topic? You can support them by giving them hints that help them. Free writing. They can write all ideas and sentences in their mind about this topic. They can draw diagram and write all words and adjectives that you will use. Finally, you can use WH questions. It means that you ask, what do you know about this topic? Where, when, why, who? It's called WH questions. During writing. It means all activities that you do during writing. You can divide it to sectors: first draft and final draft. First draft. You can use ARRR. A, it's abbreviation to adding. It means that you add new words, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, etc. Rearranging. It means that you rearrange sentences and words, removing. It means that you delete this word or this sentence, replace. That you exchange words or sentence to another one. Final draft. When you finish first draft, you can read the text carefully. It means final draft. So in final draft, you can read text carefully. Post-writing. It means all activities that you do after writing. There are 3 types of editing. First one, teacher editing, self-editing, peer editing. You can place the mistake and correct it. Teacher can underline words that's strong. You can use symbols like GR, it's abbreviation to grammar mistake, or SP, it's abbreviation to spelling mistake. Self-editing. Students can correct it by themselves. Peer editing. Students can correct them in groups in classroom, but you have to put smart or excellent students in each group. Here we finish this session. In next session, we will explain how to teach grammar. Goodbye.